Alright, so if you're going to be adding things to the calendar, since I've shared the calendars with you, it should show up either under My Calendars or Other Calendars, but you'll still be able to add it no matter what. If you click on these little squares, the calendars will actually show up or hide, and so that might be beneficial. So you don't, if you're not actually adding things to the calendar, you probably want to hide them so it doesn't clutter up your calendar. But let's say I ask you to add on Tuesday the 18th in pre-algebra classes, you need to add Khan Academy pre-algebra, Khan Academy for lesson 2.5. You want to make sure it says pre-algebra. Do the first one on pre-algebra first period right there, but you're going to go to edit event, because what we're going to do is we're going to put a link to the adding and subtracting page, which is 2.5. And to do that, you gotta have to write a little bit of HTML code. Okay, so the way to do that is you're going to do a little bracket, and you're going to do a href equals. And I researched this, and this just means like a hypermedia reference. That's not really that important. But then you're going to put quotation marks, and inside those quotation marks you're going to put the link to lesson 2.5. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste it right here, and then I'm going to end my quotation marks. So this is basically saying this is a reference to equals this website, and then I'm going to end my bracket. And what I'm going to write right here is the thing I'm going to write next is what's going to actually show up that people click on. So I'm going to write lesson 2.5 page. And then now I have to say, okay, this is the only thing that I want to have that link on there. I'm going to say bracket and this little \A. This means that's the end of the link. The thing in the brackets is what it links to. The thing written right here is what it shows up when people click on that event. So I'm going to click on save, and it should show up right there. And then let's see what happens if I actually click on it. Well, I'll have to see from the other perspective. But what you want to do is you want to copy this. If you're in pre-algebra math skills, you just do it once and you're done. Pre-algebra, you want to edit the event, and you want to copy it. Click on more actions. You want to copy it to second period, and then say save. And then it doesn't show up because I don't have second period showing up, but there's second period. And then you also want to copy it to sixth period. More actions, copy to sixth period. And then you want to change the date, because it's not going to be Tuesday for sixth period, it's going to be Wednesday for sixth period, and click save. And now if I showed sixth period, it should show right there. There's our sixth period. So that's how you're going to add events, and then I'll email you what the event should say and maybe what links to put on there. And if you notice, I have the link shows up right here, because if I click on what I just created, Pre-Algebra Khan Academy, on the description, they can actually click right there. It doesn't show all that stuff you typed up, it just gives them the opportunity to click on the link, and it takes them to the page that they need to go to see which Khan Academy assignments they have. So let me know if you have any questions about how to do this.